Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video. This is Teacher Adele. Thank you so much for coming today. I just want to say thank you so much to all of you who watch my videos, who like my videos, who comment under my videos, who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it very much and I owe you a lot. And I also want to say that I'm working on all the videos that you requested on Facebook, and I'm actually gonna start putting out these videos starting next week one by one. Thank you so much for your requests. Thank you so much for your comments. I really appreciate it very much. Now, as for today's topic, we have something very simple and very easy, which is the payments and why sometimes the payment will not come through and what should we do in that moment. Now, we work in a company where salaries are wired internationally every single month. And technically everything has been going smoothly for me and most teachers every single month. However, sometimes some hiccups and some small things can come up that might stop the process of wiring the money from going smoothly, and this is what we're going to talk about today. Let's begin. Okay, so usually wire transfers go smoothly as long as your bank information is correct. But in some few rare cases, there is some complications or the transaction is stopped in the middle usually by the Treasury Department of the receiving country to check where is this money going, to whom is it going, and why is he receiving this money. And this is what happened to me 2 times. So what usually happens is I start to notice that the salary is not arriving and it's late, and it's not here on the 10th. Usually if it's not here on the 10th, it's not coming. Now, in so many rare cases, it doesn't arrive because of holidays in the intermediate banks or in the recipient bank. But if everything is good and there are no holidays and you don't get your salary on the 10th, then you should email payroll and ask them about your payment. In my case, this is what they sent me. They sent me something like this picture I'm gonna share with you. It shows a rejection letter from their bank in Taiwan stating that they need further information to process my payment. And this further information is very simple and easy. It's just the full name, the date of birth, the place of birth, national identifier or your passport, your profession, your country of citizenship, and the purpose of sending this money to you. So let's calculate how many days I wasted when I just emailed them on the 10th asking about my money. Day 1, I asked for my money. Day 2, they answered and give me the rejection letter from the bank. Day 3, I answered them with the requested information, and day 4, they told me they forwarded the information to the bank. So I wasted 4 days. And if you already include the information that we talked about in your email on the 10th, if your payment is late, that might save you a couple of days and your payment will come here much faster. So let me repeat again what you need to include in this email to make sure that they have all the information needed in case this was the reason your payment was delayed. The first thing you need is your full and complete name. The second thing is your date of birth. The third thing is your place of birth, city and country. Number 4 is your national identification, your passport and your passport number. I even include an attachment with a passport picture in case they needed it. I don't wait for them to wait more and ask for more things. Now, number 5 is your profession or your job, which is online English teacher. Number 6 is the country of citizenship. And number 7 is the purpose of receiving this money, which is payment or salary for working for them. And that's it. Now, this, like I said before, is the most popular reasons why so many times some teachers didn't receive their salary on time. However, there could be other possible reasons, for example, discrepancies in the information between the bank information that you have on your iTutorGroup profile and the real information that's in your bank. For example, I have moved and I changed my address with my bank a lot. And that also means that I need to remember to go to my iTutorGroup teacher profile and change my account holder's address, because that might be one of the triggers that cause them to further check because the addresses don't match. And even though that doesn't happen very often, but you do not want to give them any reason to find something or some discrepancy in the information and then you have to stop and it's like, hey, what's going on? What's happening? Let's check more. Also, don't forget that sometimes the payment might arrive late due to different reasons. For example, like we said before, holidays. Sometimes iTutorGroup themselves might wire the money from a different bank. And when you wire the money from a different bank, the processing time might be different. And if you're used to receiving it early, you might, with a new bank, receive it a little bit later. So, like I said, don't panic. But if you choose to email the payroll team, don't forget to include the information we talked about. That can save you a couple of days. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was a very small video, and I hope it was useful for you, although I really hope you will never have to go through this. You will never have to write even one email to payroll, because that usually means there's a problem. Anyway, I hope everything will continue going smoothly for you and your salaries will keep coming on time every single month for as many months as you are still working here. Now, thank you so much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. I put out new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday if you haven't noticed already. So please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I put out new videos, especially that I am actually going to do the requested videos and the requested topics on Facebook. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for some good stuff coming very soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day and peace.